Hello, hello. Hey guys, it's Kimmy, Notary Life with Kimmy. What is new? Well, guess what, guys? I am so pleased to introduce my newest book. Guess what it's called? Bam! Pricing your notary services. Let's talk about the money. It's not that complicated. And in the book, guys, I go over how to price your notary services. The question I get asked most often is, how do I price my services? How do I charge when I do general notary work? How much is it when I go to a jail, hospitals, apostilles, and fingerprinting? What do I do when a signing company won't pay me my money? I cover all of that in the book. Bam! Pricing your notary services. Let's talk about the money. In case you missed it for the people in the back. So that's why I'm wearing green today. We're talking all about the money. But check out the book again. I go over oath only signings, how much to charge for that when you're providing a witness, how to actually collect your payments. And this book can be found on Amazon. I will leave it in the link for you so you can purchase your copy today, okay? I wish you the best. And in order to have a successful business, you must know how to price your services. They do not teach you that when you get your handbook. Most trainings do not teach you that. And it is an art to pricing. If you don't know how to price, you do not have a business. So you don't want to just have a business. You want to have a profitable business, okay? So once again, check out, bam, pricing your notary services. It's not that complicated. Let's talk about the money. And I'm Kimmy. Bye.